like safety lies in numbers then. The thoughts they knock and beg to stay, no matter how I push away. They say it's neat, a little strange, but deep inside it feels like change. A world that spins but never rests, each breath a test, each step a guess. I'm not broken but I bend to thoughts I never meant, still searching for release, for just one moment's peace. Caught inside the loop again, fear disguised as discipline, trying hard to shut the noise, but silence doesn't come with choice. I need more than just control, a way to free my soul and face what hides beneath, to finally learn to breathe. It's thoughts of harm I'd never do, images I can't undo. The what ifs echo in my head, at night they crawl into my bed. But now I learn to sit and stay, to let the fears just float away, to feel the tremble and not run. The bravest fights the silent one. Doctor said let's face the fear, hold the thought but don't adhere. Don't wash, don't check, just stay and see how healing hides in bravery. Grace stood by with patient eyes through every panic, every cry. Now I know that this is true, the loop can break if I push through. I was trapped but now I choose to stay, to feel, to sometimes lose. Not every thought needs to be fought, some storms pass when they're not gone. Still inside the world I know, but I've begun to let it go. And every step, though slow and slight, leads toward